Peace and perfect love, family. I pray that y'all really enjoyed, full joy this video. You know what I mean? Remember, my books are on my website, www.mynaturalroots.org. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button so that YouTube knows that you like this content. And don't forget to like this video as well so YouTube knows the same, that YouTube knows that you enjoy this type of content, and so that others can be exposed to this, because we got to free each other. You see what I'm saying? We got the internet. Let's use it to our benefit. Your site. So remember, visit my website, and I love y'all, man. I love y'all. I love y'all. Stay in tune with nature. No matter how much time you spend in the city, no matter how much time you spend in Babylon, stay connected to the Almighty One. Your site, the source. That's where you get all your energy from. One perfect love. Stay strong regardless, no matter what. No matter where you are on this planet, I'm sending you love. I'm sending you peace and high vibrations, man. Stay strong and master thyself. Master yourself. Master thyself. Wisdom, knowledge, and understanding, man. Say a lot with checking in. Now I'm checking out. Perfect love. Bless it. Remember your culture. Don't succumb to the vulture. Perfect love.